Hey Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm playing with this bowl right here, and we're going to learn some great vocabulary. First, this action, spin. Spin is a verb. In the present, spin. Use the short is sound like this is. Spin. Let's do it again. Spin. The bowl is spinning. The bowl is spinning.
What about the past?
The past. What did I do? I spun the bowl. Spin in the present, in the past, spun. Use the short sound like up and cup. I spun the bowl. Let's try something else. Ah, that's different. That's wobble. The bowl is wobbling. Use the short sound like hot and stop. Wobble. The bowl is wobbling. It's a verb.
Hey Kevin, what's wrong with the table?
Well, this table is not sturdy. It wobbles. Wobble is the verb. The table wobbles from side to side. So I can describe the table and use the adjective wobbly. This table is wobbly. It does this. It's a wobbly table. It's not good. It's not sturdy.
So what do we need to do?
We need to find a sturdy table. Let's look at this one. This one is sturdy. Sturdy, strong, firm. This table is sturdy. And this table is wobbly.
What did you find there, Kevin?
I found two chairs. This chair is strong, it's firm, so we say it's sturdy. This chair is sturdy. But this chair is not sturdy. It's flimsy. It's made of thin material. It's not strong, it's not sturdy, it's flimsy. Use a short is sound like this is. This chair is flimsy. This chair is flimsy. It'll break very easily. But this chair is strong, we say this chair is sturdy.
Kevin, what do you have there?
I have a chair, and these are not chairs. These are called stools. Stool. This is a stool. This is a stool. These are stools. Use the oo sound like cool and pool. Link to the dark L. Pool. Cool. Stool. This is a stool, and I sit on the stool. Use the preposition on. I'm sitting on the stool. What about the chair? Chair is different. I sit in the chair. I'm sitting in the chair. So remember, you sit in a chair and you sit on a stool. So I'm sitting in the chair and I'm sitting at the table. For table, use the preposition at. I'm sitting at the table and I'm sitting in the chair. What about this thing? Is this a chair or a stool? This is a stool. It's called a bar stool. Why don't you call it a chair? Because it's higher. It's meant to sit at a bar. So we call it a bar stool or a stool. And I sit on the stool. Not in the stool, I sit on the stool. I'm sitting on a bar stool. And this is a bar stool too, because it's higher. It looks like a chair. It's got sides and a back and everything, but because it's higher, we call it a stool. This is a bar stool. And this is a bar stool too. And this is a bar stool too. We have a lot of bar stools.
Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm spinning in the chair. Spin. Continuous action, spinning. This chair spins around. You can use the preposition around. The chair spins around and I'm spinning.
Is it fun?
I'm spinning in the chair. It is fun, but I'm starting to get dizzy. Maybe I should stop now.
What does dizzy mean?
Dizzy is an adjective. It's when your head feels like it's spinning. When you feel like your head is spinning, you are dizzy. Or you can say you feel dizzy. And I'm starting to feel dizzy because I was spinning in the chair.
You should stop spinning.
Yeah, I should.
Hey Kevin, what are you doing now?
I'm sitting at the desk. We use the same preposition at when we talk about desk, just like table. You sit at the table and I'm sitting at the desk. But I'm sitting in the chair. But this is a different kind of chair. It's not a regular chair. This is an office chair. It's made to use at work, in your office, or maybe your home office. Why is it special? Because it does this. It spins and it rolls. So I can say it rolls around, or I could say it spins around. It's a special chair. It's an office chair.
Do you have one at home?
No, I don't.
Do you want to get one?
Sure. Oh, it's $80. Never mind. I like the chair I have at home. Look at this chair. This chair is different. Yeah, it spins around and it rolls around, but it's different. This is a gaming chair. Why is it different? It's made for playing video games. Look at the armrests. They turn like this, so I can play video games more easily. And it's got lumbar support. Support for your back is called lumbar support. Pronunciation, lumbar. It feels really good. It's very comfortable. It has lumbar support. And it reclines back. It reclines back. It has this nice headrest. It's really comfortable. Gaming chairs are really comfortable. Maybe I should get this one. Oh no, it's almost $400. That's why it's so comfortable. I can't afford this one.
Hey Kevin, what do you have there?
I found another stool, but this is a different kind of stool. It's still a stool, so if I sit on the stool. But this stool is made for sitting, and more importantly, for stepping on. You step on it like this. The action is step. I step on the stool, so this stool is called a step stool. And it's especially made for reaching things. Watch. I can't reach, but I have my step stool. This one is wobbly. I better be careful. Now I can reach because I'm on the step stool. And the step stool is wobbly, very wobbly.
Is it dangerous?
It's very dangerous.
Be careful.
I'm safe.
Hey Kevin, what do you have there?
This has two names. You can call it a laundry bag, or you can call it a hamper. A hamper is a place where you put your dirty clothes. I put my dirty clothes in the hamper. I'll wash them later, but right now I just need to put them somewhere, so I put them in the hamper. Pronunciation used a short A sound like ham and ma'am. Hamper. I put my dirty clothes in the hamper. Or you can also say laundry bag, but I think hamper is more common. Laundry bag, they're from Sweden.
Hey Kevin, what do you have there?
This is a pegboard, and you put things on the pegboard, like that. Now, these are not pegs, these are hooks, but this is not called a hook board. We still call it a pegboard. But the old styles just have little holes in there and you put the pegs in the holes. But they have little hooks in there to attach. We call it a pegboard. You can put different things on your pegboard. Peg. Use the short S sound like egg and head. Peg. This is a pegboard. And you have these. These are called clips. So you can put things right here on your clips. Pronunciation. Clips. Use the short I sound like this is. Clips. This is a clip. And these are clips.
And what do they do?
Well, you can attach things to it like this. See? It holds things. It's a clip.
Is it also a verb? To clip?
That's right. I clipped this on. I clipped this on the clip. Clip in the present, clipped in the past. I clipped this on the clip. Oh, look at this. This is a very special thing. This is called a shoehorn. I'll show you. You put on your shoe like this with the shoehorn. It's to help you put on your shoes. It's called a shoehorn. Like a bull has a horn or a unicorn has a horn, this is called a horn. It's a shoehorn.
Do you have one?
Yes, I have one at home, but it's longer than this. It works better. I have a shoehorn at home. And what about this? What is this thing? This has a clip, and it has a little key ring. So you put it around your neck, you clip it together. Remember, clip is the action. You clip it together, and you have a little key ring. So you can put your ID or your keys on this and carry it around your neck at work so you don't lose it. And this thing has a special name. This is called a lanyard. Lanyard. Use a short A, like hand and man, lanyard. Use the sound like bird and word. Yard. Lanyard. This is a lanyard. It's very common. You see it at people at work. They wear these. They have their ID or their keys on it. They wear it around their neck. That's a lanyard.
Good Good job, Kevin.
Thank you.
Kevin, where are you?
I'm in the shower.
What are you doing there?
I'm trying to take a shower, but it doesn't work. This is the faucet handle, and this is the shower head. This is called a head. This is a shower head. And this is the faucet handle. And I'm in the shower. And this is a curtain. But it's not a regular curtain, it's a shower curtain. Pronunciation, curtain. We have two pronunciations. You can pronounce the T and say curtain, curtains, or you can do the stop T, curtain, and then link to the N sound. Curtain or curtains. This is a shower curtain. And these are shower curtain rings. And this is a curtain rod. We call this a rod. Pronunciation, use a short ah sound like hot and stop. This is a shower curtain rod. And you hang the shower curtain on the shower curtain rod. We use the verb hang when you install it. You hang the shower curtain on the shower curtain rod.
How do you pronounce hang?
Hang. Use the long A sound like plate and date. Hang. Hang. Like this. Hang. In the past, hung. I hung the shower curtain on the shower curtain rod. Hung is in the past.
How do we pronounce hung?
Use the short sound like cup and up. Hung. And then the nasal sound for the NG. Hung. No hung. There's no g sound. Hung. Hang in the present, hung in the past. Another example of hang. These towels are hanging from these knobs. These are called knobs. The word knob has a silent K on it. Don't pronounce the K, start with the N sound, knob. One knob, two knobs. The towels are hanging on the knobs. Or you can use the preposition from. The towels are hanging from the knobs or on the knobs. So the action, hang. I hang the towel on the knob. In the past, what did I do? I hung the towel on the knob.
Good job, Kevin.
Thank you.